Well, this is the second part of Saturday's fiasco when we went down to the turkey run. Rained and rained and rained on us there. We sat in there for hours waiting on it, hoping it would clear up to kind of salvage the little cruise in. Didn't happen. So then we decided that, hey, we're just going to head on back. And you'll see here in a minute when we get up in here, the fun of having a 1952 Buick, and I've called it a 51 part of the time, but it's actually a 52, was that the lights didn't work. Leslie saved us from getting wet. Good Florida weather. Pouring down the rain, look, right there, it's sun shining. We'll be out of here in no time. Which is actually illegal. Yeah. Alright. We've had to let Leslie go in front because the lights keep going in and out on it. But Andrew says it'll be fine. He can see in the dark and it raining both. It'll be fine. Just don't panic. Okay, so we make it all the way home with no lights in the Dodge, and all of a sudden Leslie's panicking. She hears some hissing. Hears some hissing like we got a snake.
That's a 10 millimeter.
And we got a 10 millimeter dang bolt in her tire. So we can plug a tire and then we'll all be good shape.
Hey, wait, quit hissing.
Oh, there you go. Just leave it like that.
Fix it.
It's gonna be okay. Yeah, we got a tire plug.
We gotta get your camera out for
Look at
a good video.
We got this right here.
Okay.
There you go.
Boom.
Fixed. You ready? Here, I'll. Now it's good. Now it's good.
There it is.
You can't blame this bolt on me because I don't work on anything that's got 10 millimeter. All my stuff is there.
Oh, come on.
Hard to get off the thing sometimes.
Come on. Go.
And then you just clip it off and torch it though.
No, it's beautiful.
See? That's it.
Oh, that's a rocket going up. Andrew has got this app on his phone that tells him when they're shooting the rockets up. And there goes a rocket shooting up. What about that? And then now it went behind the clouds. You can still see it a little bit. Yeah, there it comes back out. There it goes.